show you the laminate butler. This is such an obvious solution to a problem that we've all had for many years. Again, using the same medical grade silicone as we've used for our other products. It's got an autoclavable lid. It's set as an arch of collets, which are each individually numbered. The obvious function of the laminate butler is to organize your restorations that you're going to place, whether it's 2 veneers or 4 veneers or 4 crowns or 4 implants, all in a mannerly order so that the assistant can prepare the porcelain, keeping everything in order, and then she can pass them to chairside where you can have the arch shape. This would be for the upper arch. This would be for the lower arch. But it simply means that the delivery of each of these restorations will match the shape of the arch that you're restoring. And you can pick and place, pick and place. Historically, if you're trying to fit 2 lateral incisors and you were to get those veneers or crowns mixed up, it's a potential disaster in the placement when you're trying to organize which ones go where. This will be a time-saving procedure. It will also save you a lot of frustration and improve your efficiency placing these restorations to get them in the right place first time. We also use the laminate butler as a palette for our colours for stain and glaze. I'm a CAD/CAM Seric user. I thoroughly enjoy this part of the job. It's the creative bit where we're trying to match the colour of the restoration to make the crown look like a tooth. Each of these stains can be applied as and when you normally would. It just holds everything neatly in order, and it's nice to have everything organised. The black contrast of the laminate butler adds to the visibility of the stains which you are applying. But even if you're working with a model, it's nice to have everything on your laminate butler in order. The third most common use for the laminate butler is when we're fitting multiple implant restorations. It's particularly useful from when they return from the laboratory on a model. We can take these components off, and we can put each of the components in the correct well, whether it's the screws, the abutments or the crowns, and we can process this through the autoclave with the lid in situ, and these items coming back from the laboratory are unsterile. They'll be clean, but they're not sterilized, and it's just an added level of protection and care that we give when we're restoring our implants. But the big bonus is when you're restoring these implants, you can take out the healing caps or sulcus formers. You can place these into the collet that you each took them out of, because they will often have varied heights of 3mm or 2mm. And if you need to put those sulcus formers back into the same hole, you will need to know which one they've come from. Having removed the sulcus formers, you can then nicely pick and place each of those components, putting them into the correct order. It makes your appointment simple and efficient.